it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I was debating, or I told you guys in the last video, I was either going to do my Ipsy versus Sephora play or the It's My Pleasure. This is going to have to wait until this weekend because I work a night shift tonight and I'm not going to have enough time before I have to hop in the shower and get ready for work. And I wanted to do a really proper like tutorial, swatches and everything. So we're going to do my Ipsy. And before I get into this, I'm going to explain why it's not the Ipsy versus Sephora play. So basically, I have been watching my Sephora play, which they charged me for on the 3rd, and then they shipped on the 11th. And somewhere around the 26th, apparently UPS transferred it to US Postal Service here in San Antonio. And I was supposed to get it on the 28th. Why it took 2 days, I don't know. But somewhere around the 26th, UPS said, yep, we gave you this entire shipment of packages. And USPS said, we're just waiting to confirm we actually have it. And now it's the 31st, and that hasn't changed, and there's no delivery date. So I reached out to Sephora and I said, hey, it looks like it's been lost in transit. I mean, it's been 5 days. It's sitting somewhere, or it got lost somewhere, and I don't have it. Is there any way that I can get maybe a new one sent? Unfortunately, they said that they don't have one to send out. It's already sold out, which I'm a little bummed about because the spoilers for mine were supposed to be like a Bite Beauty lipstick and then the solid Beauty Blender cleaner. So I was actually excited about those. But they did refund the full amount, and then they gave me 100 beauty points. So, they made it right. So it is what it is. Other interesting piece of news. So I'm going to try to do this a little bit more, give you guys updates. Maybe I'll just do a dedicated like weekly video on this if you guys are interested in letting me know. But I had talked about these like 2 videos ago, and they were on sale, and then they went back to their full price. The Ulta Sephora, or the Ulta favorites, the all your favorites, they went back to $50, and I said, just you wait, that's overpriced, no one's gonna pay for it, they're gonna drop it again. So they're on sale now for $14.99 when I was looking. Also update on that Hasina 2 palette, they're no longer on sale, so sorry guys, that was kind of a bummer. And then I did want to tell you guys one other really awesome sale. If I can remember what video I mentioned it. It was one of my empties videos. I talked about the rituals, the shower gel, the foaming shower gel. I'll link it somewhere so you guys can watch that video. I absolutely adore that stuff, but it's super expensive. It's $15 a bottle, and that thing lasts maybe a month. Well, they are having a sale on their big bottles of it, $5 each. So that's like they're a third of the price. And so I literally just went and bought like 8 bottles of it. And so what would normally be like $120 worth of body soap ended up being $40. And I'll show you guys when they come in. I love this stuff. But, and I got every single scent, so I can actually tell you guys what all the scents are like. But I just want to give you guys those updates, so if anybody is following the products that I introduce or talk about and you're interested, you can get the best deals, because there's no reason any of us shouldn't pay full price if we don't have to. All right, so let's get into this. Rambled enough here. So Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, this is the regular subscription. I do my Ipsy the Glam Bag Plus at the beginning of the month, but I usually get my regular bag, which is $10 a month at the end of the month usually, or mid-month. I opened a separate account to get this once I upgraded to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, because honestly I really like Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and I have no desire to kind of downgrade on it. So this one is $10, and then they introduced something recently where you could add on things both to the Glam Bag Plus and the regular one, other samples. And so sometimes I see stuff that I'm like, oh, I want to try that, and they are, I think they're $3 a piece when they do that. So this one, and some of these look better online, and then I get them in person, I'm like, oh, maybe I shouldn't have done that. But this one is the Bella and Argent Lip Lure Gloss, and it looked a little bit more like goldy, like not like yellow. Actually on the camera here it looks a little more goldy, but online. But it's a lip gloss. You guys know how much I love lip glosses. And let's see here, it does have like this pretty peachy sparkle. You can't even tell on here, but anyway, I got that as an extra add-on. It's not bad. It's a little sticky. And it smells like lemons. So that was one extra add-on. And then the other extra add-on is this Naked Cosmetics Loose Pigment. These things are expensive. Usually they're like, I want to say like 15 or 20 bucks. I think this is smaller than the full-size one, but I don't go through loose pigments very often. But I have a olive-colored one that is absolutely beautiful. So I got this blue one, which blue is not a color I wear as often. But God, it looks so beautiful. I'm just going to swatch a little bit to show you guys. So this one I added on for $3, but considering how long it takes me to go through pigments, and I like the quality of their pigments. It's so pretty. That's just me lightly touching in it. So those are the add-on things. So if you have this and you're interested, they definitely put things up there. They also put some of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus full-size items up there that you could potentially like purchase for more. And I forget the amount, but it's like something like $10 or $15. All right, let's get into it. So this is the bag. It's cute. It is like a little cottony bag. Kind of feels more spring-like to me than what I would expect in January. I don't really know what I would expect in January, but it has a cute little pink drawstring. This is a nice little bag to put like bathroom supplies in, or like it could be a good pencil bag. I tend to give my daughter a lot of these, or I use them to like put eyeliners and things in it that I store. So every month, interestingly enough, in some people's I saw like a big fold out thing. Mine, I just have a little tiny thing here. It says new year, more products, more focus on you, hashtag Ipsy recharge. And so they talk about some of the new features here, fab new features. So pick your passion. Now you can add on up to 3 extra samples. So that's what I was talking about. I added on to 2 and score new fab full-size deals from Glam Bag Plus. So again, that's what I was telling you guys about. They said there's a new way to personalize picks. They're going to be rolling out a new beauty quiz to learn more about the products you want each month. So I'll be curious to see how that goes. And then more beauty brands for you to love. Oh, so they have things like Huda Beauty, Benefit Cosmetics, It Cosmetics, Sunday Riley, and Glam Glow coming. Some of those they've already had. And then obviously they say they're tips and tricks insiders on your products. So they don't actually ever go over the prices of the products. To know those, you'd have to look them up. So let's just dive into this bag. So the first thing I got in here is a Luxie brush, and this is their newer brush, and I think these are actually pretty pricey. So most of the Luxie brushes you have seen in subscription boxes are those pink ones. This is the newer design they come out with. This is a small contour brush. I don't really contour, but this will be nice for like a highlighter brush. I love Luxie brushes. You can't go wrong with getting me a nice Luxie brush, and I actually don't have a lot in this kind of smaller range, but they have this little scoop out here. Very nice brush. So I am excited about that. All right, next product here is one that I've actually wanted to try and I've never tried it. It's the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection and Exfoliating Treatment. I've heard really good things about this. I'm going to kind of position my light up here so it doesn't wash out my camera so much. I'm going to switch out my light here. I've got a bigger ring light that I just need to set up that I'm hoping will diffuse the light a little bit more evenly so that you guys won't get the glare on the products here. Let me see if this has a safety seal on it. It does, but let's peek in and see what this is like. All right. So it looks pink. It has like little granules in it. It smells like herbally, very herbally, eucalyptusy almost. And so you're supposed to leave this on for 5 minutes and then wash it off. And this is cruelty-free. It says it's not tested on animals. So this is not bad. This will get me maybe 2 or 3 facial applications. So that's a nice little sample. All right, next thing here is the dreaded Ioko London eyeliner. Oh God, guys, I've gotten so many of these, and I don't even think this is a bad brand. I just literally have gotten so many of these. I can't even tell you how many of these. So this one will probably go in a giveaway because I have so many of these, and that's all I'm going to say. So this Ioko just needs to take a slight break of sending black eyeliners. Like if they would send like a different color, that would be good. But this is in carbon black. Yes, we've all had these. Somebody else will love it. Next product here is Laga Prickly Pear. The closure on this is really loose. Like most of these things usually click shut. Oh, there we go. There, it's click shut. All right, so this is bright pink. Can you see this? Ooh. There it is. It says Laga. Yep, bright pink. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if these are one of the color changing ones or if it's just a pink one, but that's what it looks like. It's got a little doe foot. Now I already have lip gloss over here, but what the heck? Now this feels more smooth. It smells good. It smells like a pear or a fruit. Ooh, it is bright pink. I think this might be one of the color changing ones. Let's see how bright my lips get throughout this video. If this is one of the color changing ones, I'm not that excited because they end up getting this like really bright pink and I just don't use them because I don't like not knowing how pink my lips are throughout the day. But I do love these little tiny samples. They actually last me a long time and they're a good way to try out supplies. So we'll see. All right, and then final product. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is one that I actually have had before, and even though I already have one that I'm kind of using up, I'm going to keep it because I really do like this product. This is the Glam Glow Glow Starter in Nude Glow. This is it smells like oranges. I don't think this one's open, but let me see. Oh yeah, it is. It smells like oranges, like orange sherbet, and basically it's like a little tinted moisturizer with a little bit of iridescence in it. And oh, look at that. It really does make my skin look glowy and hydrated. I really like it more in the summer when I just want like a little tint and glow and everything. And again, I smell like sherbet when I wear it, but I really like it. So I got it in a Sephora birthday gift last year, and I've been using it a lot, and then I kind of put it away for other things, but this is nice. I like this. So not my favorite bag in the world. I did get at least 3 things that I really do like, which is the mask, the brush, and this. Although this is not a new product. My lips aren't too bad. This pink actually doesn't look bad. So I'll say this is in the maybe category. I'll play with this around because it's not horribly pink. It actually looks pretty good. So this is okay. And this is a new product. This is a complete and utter dud. And then of course I bought these on my own, but this one's a little bit of a dud. So not the greatest, but I'll keep up with it. It's $10 a month. I generally like enough in it to justify the cost. And I don't think it's a bad product for $10. I think they do a pretty good job. So anyway, that is about it. Again, I know I say this in every video. It is going to be the countdown to when the giveaway ends. I am like truly amazed at how many people have subscribed and like basically like showed me support. It's really awesome. And we went from 250 when I announced about a week ago or week and a half ago, and now I'm up to almost 300, and I think it was like 340 when I last looked. And if we get to 500, I have that 3rd box of goodies, or the 3rd winner will win one of those box of goodies. So I think we can do it. We've got 22 days, or yeah, about 22 days to reach that goal, and I have no doubt that you guys will reach it together. So please share. I will link the video down below and above for you guys. And you know, thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. I'm going to go now so I can get ready for work because I got a long night ahead of me. Yeah, it's gonna be a long night, and then I gotta come home, take my daughter to school, and go to a meeting, and then I'll get to sleep. So I've been on afternoons. I didn't sleep a lot today. It's going to be fun. But anyway, thank you guys. I will see you on Saturday when I promise you, do this review. And I'll do a very thorough, nice review on this product from ColourPop because I know a lot of you guys are excited and wanting to see this. So anyway, thanks guys. Bye.